DigitalOcean gives you more RAM and storage for the same price. Cloud hosting company DigitalOcean is launching some new price offerings today. In particular, the company is also upgrading its basic $5 droplet instances with better specs for the first time in years. 5 years ago, DigitalOcean offered something quite revolutionary. Before today, you could pay $5 per month and get a server with 20 GB of SSD storage, 512 MB of RAM and 1 CPU core. But virtual Linux servers have become a crowded space with plenty of competitors popping up and adjusting their prices. On Linode, you can pay $5 per month to get 1 GB of RAM, 20 GB of SSD storage and 1 CPU core. On Scaleway, you can pay $3.65, €2.99, for 2 GB of RAM, 50 GB of SSD storage and 2 CPU cores. You get the idea. DigitalOcean is overhauling its lineup to remain competitive. For $5 per month, you now get 1 GB of RAM and 25 GB of SSD storage, while CPU performance remains the same. All standard droplets now get twice as much RAM for the same price and more storage in general. The higher you pay, the more storage you get. Starting at $40, you get more CPU virtual cores for the same price except on the $160 per month model. There are 2 new expensive droplets, including a new top-of-the-line one. For $960 per month, you get 192 GB of RAM, 32 cores and 3,840 GB of storage. Interestingly, there are now more options for $15 per month. You can get 3 GB of RAM with 1 core, 2 GB of RAM with 2 cores, or 1 GB of RAM with 3 cores. Finally, optimized droplets get 33% more RAM and also a storage upgrade. DigitalOcean has a new pricing page with more details. The company also says that per-second billing is coming soon. Amazon Web Services and Google Compute Engine already offer per-second billing. As always, you can go to your administration panel on DigitalOcean and switch to another droplet model. That flexibility has been a key feature behind DigitalOcean's success. So if you're a DigitalOcean customer, it's time to take advantage of those pricing changes.